Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you this beautiful glam party or festive makeup for upcoming festival 2020. It's a full glam makeup and I paired up of oxidized earring, mirror work oxidized earring. I really love this earring. This is from the app called SimSim app. I really love their collection. Jewelry collections are really nice and very reasonable priced. And this makeup is also with very reasonable priced products. So if you want to know how I just create this beautiful look, then please keep on watching. So today I'm going to use Blue Heaven primer, Studio Perfection oil free. This is a silicone based primer and it's very smooth on your skin and prepare your skin for makeup very well. It's very affordable also. Then I'm going to fill my eyebrows with a Miniso eyebrow palette. And I'm using a concealer. This is from NYB in the shade Milk and White Chocolate. I'm applying it on my eyelids and also around my eyebrows because I'm going to do my eye makeup today first and then I'm going to do my face makeup. So that's why I'm using the concealer on my eyelids to prepare my eyelids for eye makeup. Then I'm blending it with the flat tip brush. And I'm going to use the Topaz Obsession palette from Huda Beauty today for my eye makeup. I'm taking this orangey shade first with a fluffy blending brush. I'm using it on my crease line first. Then I'm going to use this color from the same palette and applying it just on the first color. Then I'm taking this brown shade and applying it just on my outer V corner with a angelic brush. Then I'm blending everything very well with a clear brush. Then I'm taking this shimmery shade from the same palette and applying it just on the inner third of my eyelid with this pointing brush. Now I'm going to use glitter today, not that chunky glitter but a very subtle glitter. This is from Wet n Wild single eyeshadow. It is broken but the color is really nice, and applying it with my help of my fingertips. As you can see, it's a very subtle glowy glitter, nothing like chunky or chalky anything. Just applying it on the middle portion of my eyelid to have that glittery effect. It's a party or festive makeup, थोड़ा सा glitter लगाना तो बनता ही है. Then I'm blending everything very well so that make sure there is no harsh line and everything is well blended. Then I'm going to use I'm out of words today. This is the Miss Claire full face makeup and in the shade 02, and I'm using it as my foundation today. Then I'm using the same concealer from NYB in the shade Milk and White Chocolate. Now to set my face, I'm using ColourSense HD Compact Powder. Now I'm going to use Sivana Ultra Blast palette today. It's a really good palette. As you can see, it has the contouring shade and the highlighting shade and all the other beautiful blush shade. I'm doing the contouring shade first to contour my face. It's really pigmented. As you can see, it's contouring my face really well. Now I'm taking this blush shade from the same palette and applying it as a blush on my cheeks. As you can see, the color payoff is really nice and I really like this palette because the finishing of these colors are really subtle, nothing chalky or something. And I really like this palette because all the colors are really nice, and this is the oldest palette I bought for myself, so I really forgot the price, but I think it's under 600 or 700. I'll give you the link if I get it from Amazon. I think I bought it from Amazon, yeah. Then I'm using the highlighting set to highlight my face with the same brush I have used for contouring and blush. I'm highlighting my usual areas on my face, also on my brow bone areas. Then I'm going to take the same, also I'm highlighting my inner corners of my eyes with the same highlighter. Then I'm using the dark brown and the orangey shade from the same Topaz Obsession palette by Huda Beauty and applying it under my lower lash line. Then I'm using this liner this is from Jaclyn Masterstroke liner. I really like this liner. It's one of my favorite. Then it's mascara time. I'm using the Color Essence HD Volume Mascara. Now taking Lakme Iconic Kajal, I'm drawing my waterline. And now for lips, I'm going to use the Matte Minis from Huda Beauty in nude edition. I think this is in the set Bombshell, and I really like this color. This is totally matte on your lips. Once you applied it in, it's not going to swipe out or transfer from your lips throughout the day. So I really like this. This collection is very affordable, mini collection from Huda Beauty. I think you can find it on Nykaa, Amazon, Flipkart, wherever you want to buy. So that's my final makeup. I'm just going to do my hair a little bit, and that's my final look. So that's my glam party or festival makeup for upcoming festive 2020. You can try this kind of look this year on this festive time, on this festive season. And I have used all the affordable products, nothing like too much pricey or non available. All the products are easily available online or in your local market. And if you want any links or any details about any product, just let me know in the comment section below. And if you have any video suggestion or anything, just email me, and you can DM me on my Instagram account. All the details will be in the description box. All on the description box below. And so that was my video for today. I hope you like it. If you like it, please give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to share this video with your friends, family members, whoever you want to share, just share it. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.